Hey folks, a lot of clouds hanging in the valley today, starting to thin out a little bit, but as they thin out, that'll allow some patchy fog to form again tonight, early tomorrow. Maybe not as widespread, but not a lot of wind, so fog could be an issue. Now tomorrow we start with that, but as the day goes on, boy, the sun comes out, it gets hot. High temperatures tomorrow afternoon. Upper 80s, low 90s across the region, which you're looking at 15 to 20 degrees above average for this time of year. Front sweeps through late tomorrow night, early Sunday morning, and behind it, it turns sunny and windy and very, very dry. Humidity levels will drop to below 20%, probably below 15%. And again, there's an awful lot of dry ground out there from that freeze a couple of weeks ago, really drying things out. So that will lead to a high risk of wildfires, and if they form, they will spread very quickly. So just eliminate the burning on Sunday outdoors. In the meantime, by Monday, you're looking at partly sunny skies and less wind, so the problem fades a little bit, but boy, no rain the next 3 days, Saturday, Sunday, or Monday. Temperature-wise, McAllen's bounced back to 80, as has Brownsville. Everybody else in the 70s at this hour, including Rio Grande City at 78. Harlingen and Weslaco both at 75 right now. Here are those highs tomorrow. You're looking at close to 90, the hottest in the west, the coolest at the coast. The island will be the one place that stays pretty mild because it's surrounded by that cool water. That'll keep the temperatures down there. The normal high, the average high for this time of year, 71. We're going 88 tomorrow, 79 behind the front on Sunday, and back to 80 on Monday. The records are just a little bit above that 88. We'll see maybe a couple places can sneak up and touch those marks. In the meantime, across Texas today, pretty mild, 76 all the way up to Austin. Dallas is 74 this afternoon. Abilene 68, and even in the Panhandle, it's 56. But we are still the warm spot in the state, as we are an awful lot of the time. One front already on the map. This front, though, doesn't get to us. Notice it kind of stalls in central Texas and then lifts out. That's how we get hot tomorrow. Southwesterly wind kicks in ahead of the next front. That front sweeps through tomorrow night, early Sunday. That's when it gets windy with that high fire danger. Temperatures on Sunday a little cooler, but that strong northwesterly wind lowering the humidity. You'll notice the wind more than anything else. Monday, not much change except the wind fades away, and by Tuesday, here comes the next front. That front is due through here late Tuesday into early Wednesday. Pretty good cold air mass behind that. For us, I think it cools us to near normal. If you remember, that normal high is about 71, so we'll be in that vicinity by late next week, courtesy of that front, but it will come through dry. We don't expect any rainfall for the next 7 days. Here's a look at temperatures across much of the rest of the nation. Let's go up to the northeast, and it's relatively cool. Burlington, Vermont at 36. Saginaw, Michigan 34 tonight. Chicago at 41. The Windy City, not bad for this time of year. 30s above freezing across much of the northern plains for, again, this time of year. That's not bad. You know, it can certainly be colder in late January. So for us, for tonight, patchy fog shows up again under partly cloudy skies. Not much wind, about 62 for a low. Then tomorrow, fog starts the day, sunshine ends the day, a high of 88, some places going over 90. A little cooler on Sunday, but strong northwesterly winds, 79 for a high. Monday, we're back to 80, Tuesday, 87. Another front then, 72 at best on Wednesday. And look at that, by Friday next week, a high of only 67 degrees. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.